You are precious to me, God. More precious than gold and silver.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah, Pretty Beauty TV. Yes. My name is Sarah. If today's your first time of coming across my channel, in this YouTube channel we do review, unboxing, and beauty. Okay. Alright, please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay. Alright guys, so on today's video, a lot of people have been asking me, how do you know fake cream and how do you know the difference between fake and original cream? Alright, so guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to know the difference between fake cream and original cream. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys now how to know the difference between fake cream and original cream. All right, so guys, I just want to let you to know that it's very difficult to know fake and original cream. It's very difficult without you putting your eyes down and without you knowing what you are using, without you going into details and look at what you are using. You know, there are some people that will just be using cream and they will like, concern me, they are using it every day. They don't even know how to check it, how to know if this cream is fake and original. They don't even look at their body and see if this cream is fake and original. They don't do that. So the only thing that they do is just to buy cream and use it. That is why you see some people, they are having stretch marks, dark knuckles, and a lot of things on their hands, on their body, because some of us, we are using fake cream which we don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between fake cream and original cream. Okay, all right guys, so this cream, this is what I'm using right now. I've been using this cream for so long, so this is what I'm using. This is my personal cream that I am using. Okay, so but of recent I couldn't find it in Africa shop. I couldn't find where to buy. Normally I do buy it in Africa shop, so when I get there I couldn't find it and I was like, God, which cream am I going to be using now? So what am I going to do? So this cream is made in Paris. It's a Paris cream. Although I have ordered for some, my friends helped me and they will soon be here. I'm so happy for that. This cream doesn't cause stretch mark, it doesn't cause dark knuckles, it doesn't cause anything. Okay, so that is why I love using this cream. It's a natural cream that doesn't cause anything in your body, so but I don't use it on my face, I use it in my body. The cream has soap, face cream, and any other thing, so I am using this cream, and this cream got finished and I was looking for a place to buy. I couldn't find any place to buy. So I went to the Chinese shop, which is Africa shop. I was like, okay, since this cream is the same, I asked of this, they don't have. The man told me that this cream and this cream is the same thing, that I should use this for now before we got this. I was like, okay, since they are both Q High Plus Paris, but the main difference of it is this one is with carrots and this one is privilege. Which one is Q High Plus Privilege? Okay, this one is made for brown skin, like caramel and tunic color. Okay, and this one as well is the same thing, but this one is not good. It's not good at all. So I bought this and I don't have this again. I said, okay, give me this, let me be using before I will get my cream. I can't just stay like that without using cream. Africa people and this weather, you need to, after bathing with hot water, you need cream to rub yourself. So when I go for this cream, as I was using this cream, I observed something that is really, I observed something that is not good in this cream. Now let me show you the difference between fake and original cream. You see this cream, this is the mat of the cream. You see the mat of the cream, there's nothing. This cream, I've used it, is an empty rubber. I've used it and it's finished, but you can still see that there's nothing at the mat of the cream. There's nothing at the mat and there's nothing here. There's nothing. Can you see that? Can you see that there's nothing? This is to show original cream. Original cream is when you buy it and you are using it, after 2 months or 2 weeks or 1 week, you see that there's nothing at this place. There's nothing like brownish, brown color, those brown something at the tip. You know that cream is original. You go for it. Now let me show you the cream that I bought to be using first. So this one is the one that I bought. Oh my goodness, the weather. So this one is the one that I bought. I said, okay, let me be using it for the now before I will get my cream. Can you guys see the tip? Can you see the marks? Okay, now you can see it. Can you see? I've used it for less than 2 weeks now. This thing came out of it. This thing that you are seeing, it came out of it. This is to know fake cream. Fake. This is to know that this cream is not good. And that is not just only what this cream is doing. That is not what it's doing. Can you see the brownish at the tip of the cream? Everything. When I was using this cream, the whole mouth is pure white. How many years I've been using this cream? I've never seen brown color at the tip. It's pure white. That is to know original cream. Now, the other thing that this cream was giving me dark knuckles. You can see my hand. I have dark knuckles, and the thing is coming up. This cream was giving me dark knuckles, and it caused me stretch mark as well. If you want to know how I get rid of the stretch mark, which this cream gave me, go to the other of my YouTube channel, which is Sarah Pretty TV Show. Yes, I made something for stretch marks, which I used to clear off the stretch mark that this cream gave me. It was not much, it was just little stretch marks, so I quickly follow it up and clear it up. That was how I did it. So just subscribe to Sarah Pretty TV Show and see the way I make the stretch mark cream. Okay, so now this cream was giving me stretch mark, and I immediately noticed that I stopped using it. So that was how I found fake and original cream. Okay, and this cream is so good. I love this cream. For my skin, is the best cream that have ever happened to me. Like, for my skin, I love it. This cream have never given me stretch mark nor dark knuckles. It make my body to glow. It make my body look beautiful. It make my body to shine. Like, it's a nice cream that you must try if you are a turame or tune color. Okay, it's the best cream that you must try. It has face cream and it has soap as well. If you want to buy complete, you can buy complete and be using. Okay, so guys, yeah, that is the difference between fake and original, and that is what I observed about this cream that I just reviewed to you guys. Okay, all right guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Sarah Pretty Beauty TV, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. See you all on my next video. Bye.